Today we'll go ahead with the problems of sequence and series. I use the formula a plus an is equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into d. And group it, n plus 1 divided by the denominator minus in between n by denominator. I'll write the first term as n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. The first term general term is 3n and the second term general term is 3n plus 5. Now we'll do summation. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of sequence and series. Exercise 9.4, the summation problem. 1 by 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4, so on. Interesting question. Here, denominator first terms 1, 2, 3, so on are in AP, or in what? Arithmetic progression. General term is what? A plus n minus 1 into d, that is 1 plus n minus 1 into difference is what? 1. That will give you 1 plus n minus 1 and n. For 1, 2, 3 means all the first terms are in AP, we wrote general term in. All the second terms means what? 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, again they are in AP. They are in what? Arithmetic progression. Again general term, how to write general term? I use the formula a plus an is equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into d. 2 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 1. That will become 2 plus n minus 1. That will become n. 2 minus 1 is 1, n plus 1. So for first term, general term is n, second term n plus 1. So the given problem, 1 by 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4, so on. I can write it as Sn is equal to 1 by n into n plus 1 sigma, summation of 1 by n into n plus 1. General term is what? This is n and this is n plus 1. So this is the summation. Sigma n is equal to first term to what? Nth term. Or if I put k in the place of k, you can put. So now Sn. So dear students, we got Sn is equal to 1 divided by n into n plus 1 summation. See here, 1 divided by n into n plus 1, we can simplify. Can I write it as denominator? I have two factors, n and n plus 1. So write numerator as n and n plus 1. So numerator is 1. 1 can I write it as n plus 1 minus n divided by n into n plus 1. Observe this carefully. I am writing numerator 1. So numerator 1, I am writing 1 as what? N plus 1 minus n. So if I cancel these two, it will be 1. So further I can write this as sigma n plus 1 by n into n plus 1 minus n divided by n into n plus 1. Now I can cancel n plus 1 and n plus 1. I can cancel n and n. Then I am left out with sigma 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. So summation. See here, if I take n is equal to 1 to n is equal, or I will say r is equal to 1 to r is equal to, or you can write in terms of k. So let us write it in terms of k. So r, we say sigma Sn is equal to sigma 1 by k minus 1 by k plus 1. I am replacing n with k, where r value start, or where k value starts from 1 to k is equal to what? N. Very interesting. Now we created a formula. What is the formula? Sn is equal to 1 by k minus 1 by k plus 1 summation sigma. From where to where? From k value 1 to k value n. Dear students, now we can do telescopic addition. So in the place of k, if I put 1, in the place of k, if I put 1, I'll get 1 by 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1. 1 by 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus summation means plus. In the place of k, I'll put 2. If I put 2, 1 by k is 2. This will become 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus, in the place of k, put 3. It will become 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 1, 4. Plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5, so on. Finally, I'll have 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. So, if you observe, equal and opposite terms cancels. Dear students, here minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cancels when you add, minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 cancels, minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 cancels. Similarly, all the terms cancels, but the first term will be left out and the last term will be left out. So, finally, I will be left out with the first term. What is the first term? 1 by 1, that is 1. Last term minus 1 by n plus 1. So, after adding Sn, we got 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. This is the final answer. Further, you can simplify. It will become n plus 1. N plus 1 into 1 is n plus 1 minus 1. So, plus 1 minus 1 cancels. It will be n by n plus 1. So, this is a summation. Hence, this is the answer. One of the interesting questions. First, I wrote the problem. So, they gave 1 by 1 into 2, 2 into 3. That can be written as 1 by n into n plus 1. I have to add them. From where? N is equal to 1 to n is equal to n. Or what I will do? First, 1 by n into n plus 1 I will take. Numerator 1 is there. That 1 can be written as, 1 I can write it as n plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus n, sorry. So, I am writing in terms of these two terms, n and n plus 1. 1 can be written as n plus 1 minus n. N cancels, you will be left out with what? 1. So, numerator 1 was there. I wrote it as n plus 1 minus n. This is very, very crucial step. Because I saw here n and n plus 1. That's why I am writing 1 as what? N plus 1 minus n. After that, split it. Group it. N plus 1 divided by the denominator minus in between n by denominator. N plus 1 cancels. It will become 1 by n. This. And in spite of n, I will take k. So, it will be in spite of n, replace it by k. I will write 1 by k minus 1 by k plus 1. And k varies from 1 to n. Sigma means sum. So, in the place of k, if you put 1, you will get these two. In the place of n, if you put 2, you will get these two. In the place of n, you put 3, you will get 1 by 3, 1 by 4, like that. So, now cancel minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Like that, all the terms cancels except this first term and the last term. First term is 1 by 1, that is 1. Last term is 1 by n plus 1, that is 1 by n plus 1. So, summation becomes 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. Simplify, you will get it. I hope all of you got this. Next interesting question. 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square plus 20 square. 5, 6, see, first I'll see 5, 6, 7, the bases. I'm observing the bases. So, in index is same. So, bases are in AP or in arithmetic progression. I'll write general term. What is general term in AP? A plus n minus 1 into d is the general term. Nth term. So, an. A means the first term. First term is 5 plus n minus 1 into difference. Common difference is 1. So, it will become 5 plus n minus 1. So, 5 minus 1 is 4. N plus 4. So, this is a general term. So, the given problem 5 square Sn I'll write. Sn is equal to 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square plus so on can be written as general term. What is general term? N plus 4 whole square. The bases are in AP. General term in AP is n plus 4, but all the powers are same. This is Sn. Sigma from n is equal to 1 to what? N is equal to n. So, now I need to add. So, that is sigma. I have to apply sigma summation. N plus 4 the whole square. All of you know how to do n plus 4 the whole square. So, Sn is equal to, we got n plus 4 the whole square. Apply a plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. That is n square plus 16 plus, so summation. Sigma, let it be 16 plus 8n. Now I'll apply sigma. This separately I'll apply sigma n square plus sigma 16 plus sigma 8n. You know what is sigma n square? Sigma n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. 16. Sigma 16 is 16n plus 8 you take out sigma n. That is Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 16n plus 8 into sigma n is n into n plus 1 by 2. Simplify this. Here you can see n into n plus 1. In all the terms n is common, you can take n common. Remaining I am left out with n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 plus this will become 16, this will become 8n plus 1 by 2, 8 by 2 n plus 1. 8 plus 8 by 2 and this is by 6. Sorry. Now by 6 also let us take out n by 6. If you take out, what is left out? So this will become n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. So since we have taken by 6 common, here you can take multiply 6, or dear students, you can leave it here by rearranging. That will be better. According to me, if you simplify, so answer is in standard form, you can leave it. So just rearrange and leave it. Or if you want to convert it into quadratic equation and factorize, and instead of killing your time, so here we got a standard format. After summation, I'll write the first term as n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Next term I'll write it as 8 by 2, 8 by 2. If I cancel, it will be 4, 4 into n plus 1 plus 16n. This is the answer. So, here what we observed, the bases 5, 6, 7, they are in AP. I wrote general term in AP, n plus 4 the whole square. A plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then apply sigma. Sigma n square, sigma constant is constant into n. Sigma 8 into n is 8. You take it off, sigma n, apply it and leave it. 3 into 8 plus 6 into 11 plus 9 into 14. So, this is one term, this is other term, this is other term. See, observe this. 3, 6, 9, they are in AP. 3, 6, 9, so on. They are in what? Arithmetic progression. If the terms are in AP, you can write general term. What is general term? A plus n minus 1 into D. That is 3 plus n minus 1 into D means 6 minus 3. Common difference is 3. 3 plus n, 3n minus 3 cancels. So 3n. So you get 3n. So for 3, 6, 9, you get 3n. Similarly, you have other set. So you have 8, 11, 14. 8, 11, 14. They are also in arithmetic progression. They are in what? AP. If the terms are in AP, all of you know, general term. A plus means 8 plus n minus 1 into difference. 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 gives you what? 3. That is, general term is 8 plus 3n minus 3. That is 3n plus 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. This is one term. So, given problem can be written as, so summation, they give 3 into 8 plus 6 into 11 plus 9 into 14 plus so on till n terms. I can write Sn is equal to sigma, summation of the first term. First term, what is the general term? First term, 3n into second term. What is the general term? 3n plus 5. So now this is the question. So they gave a question like this and we wrote like this. The first term, general term is 3n and the second term, general term is 3n plus 5. Now we'll do summation. So Sn is equal to sigma 3n into 3n plus 5. 3n plus 5. Now that is, multiply 3 3s are 9n square plus 3 5s are 15n. Now apply sigma 9n square plus sigma 15n. 9 is constant, take it out, sigma n square. Plus 15 is constant, take it out, sigma n. So sigma n square is what? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. And 15n, what is n? Sigma n? N into n plus 1 by 2. Now this you can divide, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are. So now further you can take common. I can take Sn is equal to, you can see both are having n into n plus 1. So n into n plus 1 by 2 I can take common. What is left out? I am left out with 2n plus 1, that's it, plus 15. So I can write it as n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 16 divided by 2. This is summation. So I hope all of you got this. Now 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Here nth term is, see, first term is 1 square, second term is 1 square plus 2 square, third term 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Nth term is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 1 n square. Can I write nth term is sigma n square? Can I write n square? Sigma n square is what? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is nth term. This is nth term. This is an. Now I want summation. Now nth term. Nth term itself is n into n plus 1. So this is nth term. You got nth term, but they want Sn. One of the term is like this, so Sn. So all of you know Sn means sigma nth term, sigma an. So sigma, what is nth term? We got it. That is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So now further I will simplify. So n into n is n square plus n into 2n plus 1 by 6. Again I will apply sigma n square into 2n is 2n cube plus n square plus 2n square plus n by 6. Now that is sigma 2n cube plus n square plus 2n square is 3n square plus n divided by 6. Now apply this. If I apply, it will become sigma 2n square n cube by 6 plus sigma 3 by 6 n square plus sigma n. So you know 2 ones are 2 3s, 1 by 3 is constant, sigma n cube plus 3 ones are 3 2s, 1 by 2 is constant, sigma n square, sigma n. Now you know all the values, so apply. So that is Sn is equal to, what is that, 1 by 3 into sigma, what we have, n cube plus 1 by 2 sigma n square plus sigma n. So that will give you 1 by 3 into, what is sigma n cube? Sigma n cube is n square into n plus 1 the whole square by 4. 1 by 2 into, what is sigma n square? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Sigma n, what is sigma n? N into n plus 1 by 2. Now in all the terms you can cancel, you can take n into n plus 1 by 2 common. If you do that, so here 2 is already out, n into, so this will become another n into n plus 1 is left out, divided by, here 2 is out, 3 4s are 12, so it will be 6. 1 by 2 you have already taken, so it will become, this n into n plus 1 is also taken out, so it will become 2n plus 1 by 6. And here this whole term is out, so 1. Further you can simplify, so it will become n into n plus 1 by 2 into, if you want take LCM, so n into n plus 1 plus 2n plus 1 plus 6. Further simplify this, Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 6 into, if you simplify this, this will become 7, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 plus 2n plus 7. You can leave it, or you can leave it here also. Hope all of you got it. So nth term is summation. Again, that you should summate. So Sn is what? Sigma an. An is what? Sigma n square. You know what is sigma n square? Substitute and you will get it. So here an is what? An is sigma n square. Sigma n square is what? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So that we summate and we'll get the answer. I hope all of you understood this. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.